What's good, everybody? This is Matt from Rivera Capital Slabs here with you to do an unboxing of the new Topps Chrome Marvel 2026 trading cards. I hope you all enjoy this as much as I do. I've been looking forward to doing this all week. So, without further ado, let's get to the doing. All right. All right, now that I figured out how to open the box, let's check it out. So we've got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 cards in the pack. Each pack, 4 cards each. All right. So, wish me luck, guys. Hopefully, many exclusives and inserts. All right. First pack. Cosmic Ghost Rider. All right. So we've got the Thing, Elektra, Black Panther, and Cosmic Ghost Rider. It looks really cool. All right. These cards feel amazing. They really put a lot of care into them, y'all. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be collecting them or not, but I'm definitely in this for some really cool inserts. All right, Lockjaw. Looks like my dog. Spider Girl. Okay. I'm a big fan of the Spider family. Marvel and Sunspot. Cool. Let's see what else we get. Oops, I'm a savage. All right, see, we already got Hawkeye in this one. Oh, nice. So we got a She-Hulk special insert for the 65 years of the Fantastic Four. Nice. I wonder if my friend Keith Williams drew this card. When I see him in a couple of weeks at the Bronx Anime and Comics Expo, I might just ask him to sign it for me. Nice. Let me put that aside. For later. Yeah, we can put it in the display for now. Nice. So in the rest of that pack, we got Ultron, White Tiger, and Hawkeye. Okay. Let's see what else we get. All right, Evangeline. This is a first appearance card. Scarlet Spider. Nice. That's a nice spider pickup. Deathlock. And Silence. Oh, hold on. Evangeline is one of those special refractors in addition to be a first edition card. So let's also put her there. And see what else we get. Okay. Hallows Eve. Hey, another Spider-Girl. I want to trade now. Master Shang-Chi. America Chavez. And Hallows Eve. I don't know this villain. Very nice. I'm gonna have to. Oh, it's a Ben Reilly villain. Cool. All right. Nice. No, Symbiote God. Oh, cool. We got something really nice, y'all. Ghost Spider Fanfare card. Super awesome hit. So, number 17, Fanfare. This is definitely getting researched. I want to know who did this so I can get them to sign it. Awesome sauce. I'm going to put her into a sleeve. Nice. Hopefully that'll stay. Cool. All right, and we also got this really cool Evangeline card on the side. Awesome. All right, so in the rest of this pack, Anti-Venom, nice. Oh, and no, the artwork is ridiculous, bro. This looks crazy. This is a super cool card, man. They cut no corners on this one. Man, I remember speaking with Art Adams at New York Comic Con last year, and man, like after '92, these cards kind of went downhill, man. But I gotta tell you, they're back, bro. These are amazing. Like the quality is outstanding. The artwork, they cut no corners. Fantastic work, guys. All right, nice. We got another hit here. We got an Icons of Medusa. Nice. Icon. Gotta put that one into a protective sleeve too. So let me grab one. It's always a delicate dance, trying not to damage these cards, putting them into their sleeves. There we go. Also, these cards are kind of thicker, just in case you go ahead and get some of these. Alright. You might want to invest in a thicker, bigger holder. And we got this Ghost Spider. That's super awesome. All right, and the rest of that pack, oh, there's the matching She-Hulk. Lady Henrietta is her first appearance. I don't know. And then Rocket Raccoon. Freaking cool. Where's that event? Where's that? No, it's crazy. Oh my god. Some of this artwork is just sick. Put this to the side. All right, so last one. I mean, look, I'm pretty happy, man. I got this She-Hulk. I got this Ghost Spider. I got this Icons. This really sick null card. Like, this is very Woman of Marvel heavy. So I hope that helps in the resale market. Last pack, y'all. Wish me luck. Let's get this. Spider. Boom. Venom Mouse. Okay, that's a new one, but a refractor. Very nice. Scorpion. Again, just awesome artwork on these cards, y'all. Glitch and Spider. This is like a mechanical version of Spider-Man. Oh, this is someone from an alternate universe. It's really cool. Very nice. All right, y'all. So from the hits, I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with this refractor. Some really cool artwork with this new She-Hulk, Null, Anti-Venom, Lady Henrietta Scorpion. Let's see one more time. What else? Spider. Seems cool. Glitch, Hallows Eve, America Chavez, Shang-Chi, Spider-Girl, Scarlet Spider, Sunspot, Marvel, Lockjaw, Thing, Elektra, Black Panther, Cosmic Spider-Man, Rocket. Yeah, that's basically the coolest cards in this set. I guess we could throw Ultron in there. Yeah, I think we did pretty good, y'all. I'm pretty happy for a $39 box. I think I at least made my money back. I'll look up the values for these and list them. So please feel free to look in the comments. If you're interested in trading, I'm super happy to help people looking to complete their sets. Just reach out to me in the comments, let me know, and I'll see if we could find something mutually accommodating. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had a good time going through this with me. This is really great to relive something I used to enjoy doing as a child. I hope it encouraged you to do the same. And that's it for now. Please check me out at Rivera Capital Slabs on Instagram if you want to take a look at some of the cards and comics that we offer. Until then, and until the next video, good luck collecting.